Welcome, boys, in your math class. Today in math, we are going to start our next lesson. The name of lesson is Where Are Arrays? It is page number 40. It is on page number 40. So in this lesson, we are going to we are going to learn how to multiply and do addition to find to make an array. So what is an array? First, let's see the definition of an array: a set that shows equal groups in rows and columns are called array. What is array? A set that shows equal groups in rows and columns. For example, you can see here the pink dots. How many dots are they? 1, 2, 3. So when you are going to see the columns, they are 3. And when you are going to see the rows, they are 2. So 3 plus 3. So we are going to add 3 with 3 2 times equals 6. 3 with 3 equals 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we are going to add them like this. So our answer is going to be 6. Or simply we are going to multiply 3 with 2 equals 6. See another example here. Columns and rows. Those who are from the top, if we see, we say them columns, and from the left hand side, they are called rows. So when you go from here to here, it is called row. When you come from up to down, it is called column. So again, here are 6 boxes. So how we are going to do? First, we are going to count in rows. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. These are columns. And then in rows, 3 and 3 makes 6. And in the end, we are going to multiply also. Understand, here you can see a squares. Squares are also 3. So we are going to add in rows and in columns. The answer is going to remain 9. So here you can see in this blocks, we have 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, whereas we have 6 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is called columns and these are rows. Here you can see, boys, here are some of the beads. When we are going to arrange them separately and we are going to write an equation. So if you see the columns from the top, they are 2, 2, 2, 2. So they are 8 beads. And when you see in rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. And in each row, we have 2 beads. So 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. Whereas in purple beads, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. And in each column, we have 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. So here what we are going to do, you can add 4 3 times, or you can multiply 4 with 3. So our answer is going to be 12. Here you can see 3 multiplied by 4. Why? In rows we are counting. In rows we have 3 and columns we have 4. So you can multiply 3 with 4, or you can add 4 3 times. So your answer is going to be 12. Here in the pink one, you can see how many rows are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. And in 4 rows, we have 2 columns. So 4 multiplied by 2, or you can add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 4 times. So you are going to get your answer. Understand? Okay, boys, here, see on your math books, here we have the equation. What we have to do, we have to draw the array for this. Okay, so what we are going to do, take out your pencils and draw the array with me. You can make 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows, okay? And we have 5 columns. In each row, we have 5 columns. Okay, now let's count the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's count the columns. Let's count the rows first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows we have. So if we want to count in columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. You can count them one by one, or you can multiply them. Your answer is going to be 20, and that is your answer. I told you that we have 5 rows and 2 columns. Here, how many rows we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows. How many columns? 1, 2. So when you are going to add them, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 and 2, our answer is going to be 10. Or if you want to add them in row wise, 5 and 5, 10. So 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10, or 5 multiplied by 2 is also 10.